In this video, we are going to show you how to set up a sandbox environment in Zendesk. Once you've logged in to your dashboard, you want to hover your mouse here on the support, right? So click on the drop-down icon. And here on the very bottom, you want to click on Admin Center. It's going to open a tab where it's going to bring us to the Admin Center. Let's wait for it to load. Right, now that it's loaded, you want to look towards your left-hand side and click on Account, like so. And on the very bottom, scroll down. Under Sandbox, as you can see here, click on Environments, right? So click on Environments. Here, you can actually create a sandbox. As you can see here, we cannot do that. It is dependent on paid plans or paid subscriptions for Zendesk, right? So once you're here, click on Create a Sandbox. After that, you can enter a name for that environment, select the amount of ticket data to replicate, and then just click create. After that, you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.